Are you the type of person who likes to rearrange your living room on the regular? Or maybe you're struggling to find a sofa that fits your living space. Or maybe you're just curious about the term modular. Well, today we're going to take a deeper look at the 5 benefits of La-Z-Boy's modular sectional sofas. A modular sectional is designed to be reconfigured, rearranged, and moved around. The individual pieces have arms and backs that are generally the same height, and ottomans that are just as tall as the seats. All of this allows the modular sectional to be shuffled around and still fit perfectly together. So jumping into the benefits, number 1 on the list is the exact size. Often there are features that you have to overcome like corners, windows, and doors. You can address these issues by placing a module that fits exactly into the space where a regular sofa just won't go. This allows you to maximize your space while adding seating that is not difficult to maneuver around every time you enter the room. Next on the list is expansion. Another great feature of modular sectional is the expansion options. When buying a sofa, the size you choose is the size you get. But with a modular design, you can add and subtract pieces as you go along. So if you decide the sectional just isn't big enough, you can always add an armless middle. Some may think of sectionals as a space eater. With the modular option and the choice of corner pieces, you can take advantage of that unused corner space in the living area. This is a perfect solution for small rooms and small apartments. Modular sectional sofas can be easily disassembled and reassembled, allowing for a stress-free moving process. If you like to change up your living room design, rearrange your furniture, or are frequently on the move, modular sectional sofas are the smart investment to make your life easier. In addition, the individual pieces are much easier to protect while moving rather than a large sofa. Although La-Z-Boy designs their furniture to last a lifetime, occasionally accidents do happen. If your sectional happens to take a beating, a modular sectional makes it possible to only replace the pieces that have been damaged. So if you think a modular sectional is perfect for your living space, then don't forget to check in our description where you can sign up to talk to one of our degreed interior designers. It's a free service and they'll find the perfect sectional or sofa that is meant for your living room. And as always, don't forget to hit the like button. Have any questions? Leave them down in the comment section. And if you want weekly updates on videos just like this one, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.